There.
Hi guys, we're recording right now. This is our second recording. Dahil din nag-record kanina. But guys, thank you very much for coming. This is our last show. We're doing our...
Mga kababayan, isang emotional na mensahe ng pasasalamat ang ibinahagi ni na Sharon Cuneta at Gabby Concepcion sa social media matapos ang matagumpay na Dear Heart Concert Tour nila sa US at Canada. Sa isang video na puno ng damdamin, taos-pusong nagpasalamat ang iconic love team sa lahat ng kanilang mga tagahanga na walang sawang nagbigay ng pagmamahal at suporta sa kanilang bawat pagtatanghal.
There.
Hi guys, we're recording right now. This is our second recording. Dahil din nag-record kanina. But guys, thank you very much for coming. This is our last show. We're doing our meet and greet. And here are fans right there. Diyan sila lahat. Hi!
Thank you to everybody who watched us in all the 8 Dear Heart Concert Tour shows. And we hope to be back next year.
Yes,
to
and
do other shows, also in other places.
just check our Instagram, both of us, so that you will be updated with the latest events.
Right, and we love from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you
Sa
from
inyo
us
lahat.
both.
Thank you to everybody, all our 8 shows, all the states that we've been to, and Canada. Thank you sa inyo lahat. But maybe we'll give the others, other states a chance.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't happen in the
Other
US,
countries also.
yes, it will happen somewhere else, maybe Australia.
But we'll come back to the US.
Yes, we'd like to do that.
Australia, Middle East,
Yeah.
maybe. And of
Yeah.
course, we're gonna make a movie, hopefully
Yeah,
soon,
hopefully.
but we'll make it a nice one to be
Yeah.
worth your while.
We'll keep you updated. Stay within. Check out our Instagram and stay with us until that date comes. Take
And
care.
we love you so much.
Take care
God bless.
because
We care.
All right, bye-bye.
Sa kanilang mensahe, hindi na iwasang magbigay sila ng hint na maaaring magkaroon pa ng isa pang concert sa hinaharap na siyang nagdala ng tuwa at excitement sa mga fans. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Hindi ito ang katapusan, pahiwatig ni Sharon, na sinundan ni Gabby ng mga salitang puno ng pasasalamat para sa kanilang mga loyal supporters. Patuloy na nagdudulot ng saya at kilig ang timeless chemistry ng Shagab at ramdam na ramdam ng lahat na ang kanilang pagbabalik sa entablado ay hindi pa dito nagtatapos. Tunay na isang heartwarming na pagtatapos para sa isang di malilimutang concert tour. At marahil, simula pa lamang ng mas marami pang magical moments sa hinaharap.